Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily pair your AirPods or AirPods Pro to your Samsung smartphone. So I just want to say right now, you'll have a limited functionality if you're using the AirPods Pro. If you're pairing your regular AirPods to your Samsung, you should have essentially full functionality of the device. So what I mean by limited is you can only change between transparency and noise cancellation mode. I'm using the tips of the AirPods, and you can't control it through the actual Samsung device itself. There is some magic ways to do so, but I can't really show that in this video, or I might get a DMCA takedown. But I might accidentally leave a link in the description after you paired your AirPods to a tutorial, which takes the risk for me. So make sure you watch the full thing to the end. Then I'll just check out the link in the description to get all the AirPods Pro features from the iPhone to your Samsung. So what we want to do is we want to open up the lid of the AirPods Pro first of all, and I'm moving this away just so it doesn't connect to my iPhone and then you have really bad audio quality. So we'll go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, and then we're going to hold down at the button at the back. So at the back, you see there's this white tab. You just hold that down, right? And you're going to see the AirPods are going to start flashing white. Now, very soon you see in available devices, there's the AirPods Pro. Tap on that, keep on holding on the white button at the back until the AirPods Pro paired successfully. So just give it a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me just go back in. Okay, well, I guess we're going to try this again. So I'll turn off and back on. And this time I'm just going to release the back button because it's still in pairing mode. Tap on it again. So now I'll just release the back button. Is it going to pair? There we go, pairing request. That's what you want to see. Pair of AirPods Pro, tap on OK. I'm just going to get this for the thumbnail. And apparently I wasn't fast enough. So let's just try one more time. I just want this stupid thumbnail. There we go. So we'll just tap on OK. Now you can see pair devices, AirPods Pro. So it's a bit finicky. You will get it down eventually. You can see Bluetooth right there. If you have any issues, I advise you just restart your Samsung and then close the AirPods, open up the lid again, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Remember to check out that video in the description if I remember. If I don't remember, just search on YouTube how to get iPhone AirPods Pro features on Samsung. And bye-bye. Let me just chuck that away.